Semiconductor manufacturing is highly complex, and quality control is a critical aspect of the production process. Wide bandgap semiconductors are essential for innovation. However, their manufacturing, research, and development processes require a new approach in metrology. We at Semilab develop metrology solutions for semiconductor device manufacturers in both the inline and R&D segments. Semilab's metrology solutions play a vital role in the wide bandgap materials market when it comes to measuring optical and electrical properties. During the manufacture of silicon carbide-based power devices, various properties should be measured during the quality assurance process: defects, dislocations and crystal inhomogeneities, depth and concentration profiling, electrical properties, as well as layer thickness and surface roughness. To measure the wide range of quality parameters of semiconductor wafers, there are 4 metrology categories: optical metrologies, non-contact electrical metrologies, contact or destructive electrical metrologies, and scanning probe microscopy can all identify industry-specific technological challenges. As the size of devices continues to decrease, and their structures are becoming more complex, even the smallest defects may impact the performance of the device to be manufactured. As a consequence, manufacturing processes require subatomic precision, and there is also a special demand on the quality control of the wafer's surface in the nanometer range. Roughness characterization and defect detection of the semiconductor wafers in nanoscale sizes is therefore essential for silicon, compound or mu-LED wafer makers as well. For defect characterization and surface roughness measurement, Semilab offers its improved manual and automated atomic force microscopy systems. AFM systems utilize their high-precision force sensor to gain highly accurate topographical, electrical and mechanical information from any surface, thereby allowing for precise defect characterization of compound materials as well. If you'd like to learn more about us, please visit our website at www.semilab.com.